you can see it, dude.
Right.
Oh no, I see water coming out.
Oh, it's boiling out.
That's a violent. That is a
As
violent
it loses
boil.
water, it's going to get hotter.
That's a violent boil.
Now reel it in like a fishing pole. Reel it in. Reel it in.
I think this water is sanitized.
Oh, yeah.
Mom was like, they're like, hurry, let's get out of here.
It's losing so much water it's not even coming out the top now.
You see this, dude?
It's just boiling in everything in water.
Yeah, I'm for a long time. Now you have to drink it.
That is wild.
You know what? If you hadn't put the tie down around it, I don't think a wire would work. I think that wire would have got too hot and it probably melted at the top.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but
Well, there wouldn't have been any water between the plastic and the wire that got hot. I think you used the right thing.
Yeah. A daggone ratchet strap. It's going in my survival kit. Alright, cut it, dude.
Do it duct tape, dude.